Real life. How na day, oh, my people. I just dey come for work. Iya onu ya hine. Eri po pe kwa kekan. Iya onu ya hine o. Real life. Ah onu ya hine ni. Esetia o ni rokpa o. My people, how na day oh, it has been a hectic day at work. Very hectic and busy. Wow, who is disturbing my music? Who connects something during that thing? You they play my video record there. You they disturb and remove your Bluetooth. What did they happen to this record? I don't like it. So if I want to write, I have to disconnect the Bluetooth from here. That's it.
better ineki. Again better way. I said nigga be let him better. I again make better way.
Somebody's waiting right now.
Why be let him go no? Oh, salo for no God. I'll be the whole band. Kada babao. No popima. Or better vunisa. No logima. It won't better way. O better vunisa. Tell you me, babe. Tell me that way. No popima. I beg you, honor your bubo. Or bubo. Or here, bubo. Or this bubo. Brother. Honor moving. I will not let guy. Honor moving the usual. Or man no popijin. Or yaga. Honor totally buy. Eke no totally buy. Imoti gedu na ya headway. No popomel. Or ye. Or my yone. Oh, piano. No, we ain't not going to do it. Oh, again, better way.
Why agree while I will I go play this again. And this man is supposed to come pay homage because the music was too promoted. I will pay homage. You know, a promotion at Bolog. Not be like,
working dona. Where are the name do tamane? I can hear ya demo. I can hear so you don't want me yo. If you
Share this video, man.
I'm not with you.
What's up, go back on now?
Ignorant better way.
Hallelujah.
No popima, or better Vunisa. No logima, it won't better way. Or better Vunisa. And tell you me, babe.
And tell you
Vasola. No popina, I beg you, on your bubo. Or bubo. Or here, bubo. Orisubo, brother, ọmọ mú dín àwọn àlẹ̀gà yìí ọmọ kùnú díje yóò ṣe ọ̀hún ọmọ àlọ́kọ̀ bíjé mi ọ̀rẹ́ àga ọmọ tó tàbí báyìí èké ló tó tàbí báyìí ìmọ̀ tí gẹ́dún náà yà ẹ̀rù ẹ̀ lọ́pọ̀pọ̀ mẹ́rin ọ̀rẹ́ ọmọ ayọ̀dẹ̀ ọ̀ piano òkú náà náà wíyẹn náà bọ̀ yìí máa kúrè ọ̀hún. Better way. Also, nigga, we let them. I can make better way. Well, ya be let them so more. Oh, salute one more. Oh, baby, I won't buy.
Wow, ou vont sans problème, ou connaît sans négation. Venez d'okaye. O connaît sans gachon, a han connaît sans wala non, te yo gere okpo. O connaît sans gachon. My people, I don't know. Oh, one garu is saying what in Honkonisa. Nine lie. Oh, one garu is Vara, you listen to send work. But I say, we are home without Okonis and Yahon. My people, now good afternoon. What go make go? Eh? What go make go? He said, look, obey Diao, eh, 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 said, look, obey Diao, he said, look, obey Sena, my people. What go make go? Yes. Oh, man, of woman, mama, they do, not so beneath the talk. Edo is not for one person. Edo not be Lagos. We never hear them during the election time. They say Edo not be Lagos. Edo eko. Oh, Edo no me mahianya is for you and for me. Agwa le rame hiya baka miyo. Agwa le ruwe hiya gabe miyo. Agwa lo tin we hiya gabe miyo. Agwa le gbe we hiya gabe miyo. Hey, it's a hero so asa no kwa mahiya mama de. Wa we say oh, via Facebook ya no mama de na la o. Agba no wa o. Hey. Agbese no mama and winner. 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 Igwesenya. Who are ma o? Ave threatener. Ni mama and winner with Facebook. How Ragman wa o. Ipi aki ho ni mama and winner be na we. How Ragman wa. Wa we eat ya kwake ni amwe. Ni amwa bare baba nu wa ni ahamu wa we oga wa him because wa koda o ona wa o uwa ama ona uwa ama ona wa do bo me na maseme ya to wa ide yi kebe ne gbe oko e no do e ko ro e ni ya to wa o a o ga gba nu wa o wa ya we se o ki lo ba fi yo awu no ma le win na ogba bi mo o dan na me ni awo ho me hia wa we e o ah wa gu wa ku e wa we le ri o ga la ma na ta mo so do bad ala ma na mo so do rugged wa we se wa ga man wa na man e me wa pe ne be we bo na post me ma egbe enwe zina abi nwe zina no ru hie na me ma ti ona e ba me le lu kwa si we yo na we let's go ope nu wa kewu e threat bungbe iyera iyejuwe Iyan wera, iyan wishuwe. I bet my people might open this window. Me I receive better fresh air. Isha, I don't work panoa. If your brother not build that for Bini, maybe go build for Isha. If you not build for we, go build for here. Una too they threaten me. Hey Frankie, you are over here on the Facebook on my account. It never concern you one day for this Facebook. I go sit down for my hookup at the room. I wait for one night. I wait if you go. Una say I dey chop their money, make I stop hookup, make I face una. Una say me I stop hookup, me one na. Wa go one nigga so one. Eh no we need do mu. O waga ma o, I go not yet go me ya create content. O salo waga bless you why. A content il aura for you to sit down on the right content, on the right way you want to talk. It's very difficult. But me be not mine because of the way God said bless me intellectually. I say make I dey do am, but una no green. Frank started talking about me since last year. He said my bank account for Germany, everything there with him. Frank, my hookup is legalized. Go to police. Ike buwa de imwe buwa. Poto like this. I read you now because all too much you work be. Person not go talk for Facebook. Una go say they una wakila. Now una video do ga where they keep person, where not they keep person. Mega I get you we say. You get anything. Frank, let me first of all introduce myself to you. I think they don't tell you for Facebook. I'm the daughter of Asgod, your giver of Sapler Road. Now Bill. Or giver of Sapler Road. All the way from Sapler Road to Ebekwe community after Ijanomo. It is ziba you want me down. But the way una content they do me. It be like say me no know anybody for that ego. Now only una know. It be like say for that bini me no know anybody. Now only una know. It be like say me no know anything. Now only una know. Oja, let's spread the teto. Wajak bowa your teto. All of una way they threaten me for Facebook. I'm a miramu. I'm mijue. I'm your twin. 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 We even wa umeri awa. Wa munenda ria kure iya ko ya mohu wa ria buja. Eri ono na. Happy? I think even why when me Facebook una don't work on that. Me myself don't see work my own down. I know they run for una girl. The day when they bomb Okbia. Now that day now them boy is easy. Una matter I know they run for a gay. Whether na insult whether na anything or when wa umeri awa me buwa on the Facebook. He me wa me buwa 2021. And he go hot bomber to bomber. No worry ya go aleno. He let me wa. I don't go run for una. Lie. Gone are the days. Emu ma buwa ga is a gay. Aswa ban yo be breaking back. Emu wakado. This one. Why be able to go samoji no biezo. E me him. O samoji no biezo. But I just decided to say me and the look una. Then ni why one of the fan where me until una don't see am. Welcome to where me. I market Frank. I market. You where the fan where me they go. Me ma you where the fan my own father has they go. They put ransom on top of my head. Say you put 50,000. You know how much me put for your head? More than 3 million. Now I put for your head. For grand say you put 50,000 naira for my head. Me put 3 million. When you are donating on the Facebook. Me put 3 million. That 3 million I we bury your age. Ni mavu where I go where you can. They do. Every na bata. When me and you go take where you can. My people, see you on Facebook. Your sister is a very nice woman who took care of you. Or my see, your senior brother is a very good man. No bow. They're not there here now. I don't know them, but they are good people. One am ye usakane. Even your own sister come and listen to her talk. When you mind, you me, don't be so you beat before, but you don't know what you see. You know, allow me rest, Frank. When I enter my hookup, they do my own. They go. I think walk walking. Now I tell you for Facebook, say yeah, no na mokbo you wow. I don't be like. Iga bataya basa, yeah all base. I mokbo me I no know you wow. Anywhere at all. Yeah, no know you wow. Who was setting a mume? Una not feed day. Una matter not feed they make me fear. Say I don't go work. I know talk. I know do my business for me. Bold woman I was born lioness. August 13. Go and watch my horoscope. I'm a lion by horoscope. Now I'm be. Horoscope me, I'm a lion, eh? Me, where I did this Facebook all this while. My followers know me. I've never made maths to anybody. Made they say they come they brag. I they hear people they brag. The way I take carry my head, come down, they do my own like this. Una just stick, say no be person for me. Obama, Hey Frank, listen to me. You they watch this video now. My father is also gave a work my community. He fought a fight with a village for 40 years. A bow, a court. Uboni, everything, police station, Egua, Aye Yagbina, Emani Bulo, so like Zim, but Terame Iragmo, or a profile Ramey, because we went to Gualo. You said you are looking for my father, so I'm giving you his profile. I saw your people seeing him for police station today. They have been seeing him. Then see Anna, You see and say, oh man, why you bought why you video? A picture one they carry on social media. One take they threaten me, I not talk again. For your information, all na family picture don't sit there with me. Me when they release my own one, me and they release my own one. You see, that is what life is. You don't go looking for people who don't look for you. Hey Frank, you don't go looking for people who don't look for you. You give woman belly, you run leave her for Bini. Your wife they beg, who let's say I don't know, I luhe de webu. We are in mia. Na where's you be now? Because Uzuwa and my no do not see no that life away. Your man no soon that life away Uzuwa. So you take since all this on the when is it even the 28th of March when you take talk say you define my father house, Frank. So my have a gwala away. I was in market or do my do body. You see life? That is how it is. Or when you are trying to fuck people who didn't do you anything and be less assured, they will also be looking for you. Wagwa lupo no agbenye nye atidi no mji. Eri magmonaji. Wagwa lupo no agbenye enye atidi no mweji. Frank, I want to ask you again. Since when you enter this Facebook, for the first time, I ever come meet you. Right from last year, I never even know say somebody like you. That time they do video for inside darkness. I don't know whether somebody like you they here. You see, who they carry on their head they put for road. If they always they escape all this problem. Now when they put the head for road, now they face all this wala. Who they put on their head for problem, they escape them. But now when they push the head for road. Now le now. Me not the threaten on family. I know they found on family they go. Like as they said always, it doesn't concern me and your family. It only concern me and you. Now me and you, nice body for Facebook. You talk to me, I talk to you. But I will never go to your family. What business do I have with your family? I don't have any business with them. But you people on a daily basis say, I know your papa hand, I know your papa hand. I don't see him. We don't get the address. We don't do this one. How market? You see, that is why you don't talk too much. Since when you take talk on the 28th of March, I don't ever come out from Facebook and reply you. You know whether I define you. I was also looking for you, my dear. I was making sure I hold all your families in my fingers before I would come out for you. Because not be only you. It's Sanokba. Nes was war. Waya fefefe. Ya ri wa kugbe ya gbalu wa na gbaliran. It's Sanorosra ere po yi go to gbe mi ame. Ma ya gba o hera wa admin na Facebook nere. Umaya gba ogera wa admin na Facebook nere manu mo da magmo of you wa hun dagbina. So for me, my dear, upper boys that they wait for now, upper people they wait for now. And every time they talk and they repeat and again, wari upper walao. I na me who wa no wale address on here wa ya mu no mu wa bi ove. Person who na define your address, una never see am. But who na define I fake on the see una. Why una like to they make maths for Facebook? So na job reach for this Facebook nu wa waje. All of una na math una job day. Na math una job day, math making. Una no even get action for una finger. Only ble una just they make math. E matter how him where I call action here. If we from here finish on Facebook, my is a resort in the bay. Or involve a family in and you feel inform my father. Frank, I never ever know that. Did I know your brother's house a Evotubu? No. I never ever go your brother's house for Evotubu. That same Evotubu. Your brother, where my mother, like very close to me. You know, they far. I never ever do you anything before, but you enter my life. Start looking for my life first. You gave me opportunity to enter your own life. You welcome me into your life. If you come Facebook, you insult me. I don't get problem with you. Me and other people don't fight for Facebook. What concern me and them? But see the video where you do, where you say, the video, may I play on? Please, let me just, help me with your phone 1 minute. The video where you do, where your WhatsApp. The video where you do, where you say, may I play on for you before I go and analyze your, what your people talk? For YouTube.
Loading.
Loading. Loading.
Yeah.
The last one. Omozuo. Ingunero buevagmo.
accept invitation. I just invite you today. The thing is, Baba with the smile, the king of social media, don't invite you today.
The video
First of all, look at
where you do when your WhatsApp. The video where you do when you lock.
in the Moses or where? Oh, we are not Moses and where? Baba with the smile. In the Moses or where? All ratification of life. I can't understand. In the famous Imam physique back me like Imam physique back me like why I physique go tintit where I physique back me like you understand because I come back here so no boy na kala yeah what I stand so when I got it now when I share this video this one go dead loud where anybody will know this family for Nigeria for Benin as a whole 50,000 naira cash. And me, Baba, with this man, I will give you. Anybody, okay, I want to speak Benin now. It's showing up of Benin. Come on, no way. No, we are retired, talk show. A boy, a family has already yet. No, we are 50K no cash. Special investigators. Anybody know a family and emoji, you must be a genuine investigator. Because why? The social media, this is the social media king. Every nuisance on social media, yeah, trash one after the other.
Continue.
Because what we are to work with.
All right.
I'm your Roma. When I share this video, we will speak in a very different dimension. A video now, wagae, okay, spread. Rita Ayemi talk show, Iyagbe of Ukop. Rita Ayemi show. We do not buy any. Rita Ayemi talk show. We not two men. And if I find out to be just your money is 50K. You got transferred and I will also post it on this page at the cash.
Una not go take una money.
Anybody not really know where it is.
Why una not go take una money? More na tell her give una 50,000 oh. Eh Frankie, are you 50,000 ni yang we na ne?
It is 50,000. I ever boost. I can bring that car for this place. People this is my joke. And at the end, it come to reality. The same thing with this one. The Rita Ayemi because you are one after the other. Why I wear another lad and the Kuagwana. I hear the Murphy, not the bride. I hear the royal bride. I come up. Rita, when I read.
So this one, after you do that one, obviously person really give her my father address, or he really get her. He go there, you know, he come out, he come confirm and say, this is the video they are working with right now, both here in Nigeria and Germany. He come confirm and the video where he still confirm and say he don't get her. Now it be this one. Or one no matter where me or my keke no real judge or me on help me ask Frank. What I do and where my father wants suffer for. May go back one there. May like Facebook who were there. So nigga you will couple nigga you go man go on Facebook. Me I not do my presenting work again. Make I enter because France will men one day outside. Because in ya gi ore no to gbini gbina no wo. Me go wa gwan. Emi nu wa gu ejin ni. Emi ha go wa gu e. Eje na. Una go really know say hey get na mo targeting him with be ade Facebook e to ga ajoko. Ve na woji iri awo ba me. Ve nu wa wo me ri han wa. Wa gbo pa the family me ya gbisen wo wa. Eje na. Ya bata ba sele de no gbe na. Wa ga gbo pa the family me ya gbisen wo wa. E mo na gbo bi osa alazio mu gbe na jeva.
It says, oh, wow, pa. You know what? Understand? It's very, very important. Understand? I don't know about it. It's 50K. You understand? In a time where I say, no one will give about this mama, I can't know no more. Oh, no more way, yayo. But Rita, your arrogancy, the kind of boldness, the kind of proudness, if you is most more with attachment, I feel like was you are deceiving man with it. I could really hook up in you. You feel you are too much. What I think when you say, it's all right.
My people, in short, I just thought about something right now. I just thought about something. This video, I'll do one for you. I not go play all the audios. I go wait for Frank reply. Then I'll come tell you now. Waiting with audio, waiting brothers, his senior brother and his senior sister. I feel pity for them. Frank, yeah, we might see you there. Or wait phone now, audio. You not tell them whether me and them talk for police station. Ask them whether we talk for phone. Yeah, what thing? 50,000 why you not 20 you not really. 50,000 where you go give your senior brother me a tea shop where they also they go. You don't give him a tea shop. You say na my matter now you want to put on my father. Before them born you, Frank, are you up to 40 years? My father don't already the George Palace matter. So now just to say una wait sit down for Facebook just the talk say hey woo now only una know am. Wetin kill una parents throw away for many years wey they not last. You know fit kill my parents so they still dey alive. Una no fit use that one to reason aga we gbesegbe. If you no gbele ruba bi ju wa kwa wa ni bumu we ma gbera me o ma gbeje ni. Yan ye fian revo do. Yan ye fian revo do. They are still walking around. Yes. Usas. I will do it here. If he come out, I will listen to him. Then I will take his family to YouTube. Frank, what's here in the saga? He might tell where? He might tell you involve a family. And they might tell you where? He might tell you one day. I've never even thought about you one day on this Facebook. You just wake up. You started to do video for Inside Darkness concerning me. Erita. I don't say me you know insult me, but this one, our insult is going to go intense and more polished. Even and better. It's going to go so deep and more calling. Yeah, mamu we ma gia ge beko wa sagana. Ban ya gia Frankie. Me even me are Nigeria school no be where Johnny even magic bunny. Me I forward this thing for you. If me born, I live picking for Nigeria. Met him with be me a primary school no mama. Nous voyons movie West Uni, et ce qu'on ou les so mokba, ya ala lu he de vitali. Ou ba woman, nothing. Ou han we so kian ko nu se I so kian be do. Wa la lu he de vitali la le different corner here. Frank. Est-ce qu'on fait 1 year wo we? Wa go make one Facebook we mana. Wa me no sunu. DAP e di here pay 1 year school fees for your daughter. Was it back baby Facebook Me not the show person how to handle na One do mail na business Frank. What I do you? I don't do you anything. I never ever come to you for saga one day. You say I be okpo miliki. We don't retire for why no I give one for now. But here I know na mokpo you wow. We need tire after irimunti ayo. Amokpo why afefe ya no na mokpo you wow. Una we no let me rest for Facebook. Amokpo here no you wow. Amokpo ya no you wow. I'll tell you na say asegbewo. Isha. Woman wey say na so you no do okpo one day they carry you from Nigeria you enter Europe or your husband go carry you from Nigeria una meet for camp. You want use yourself take compare me? Imavu we setting out pa Oh, get what? At times I don't even need to pay police money. I don't need to pay Ogbalegbe or do anything. Frank, now you first of all involve my father. Now involve the whole of your family. You see how it's painful? Do you see how it is? How market today? Come out, contact your people for Facebook. Say, "Umay na ya family where why you mean about we?" Contact your fans. I'll fair leave you. May if I contact them before I come talk my uncle. Not to go do dollars. They could not to go do dollars. Yeah, don't let you be YouTube. Now Facebook be this so. When you are doing your work, don't threaten people. Just do your work. If you want a person get problem, ya wasaga egbe wari agboa. Or baoge. Wala wa. But if you can't talk, say, na so you define person, they go. We don't do you anything for Nigeria. Agbete boni san. Oh. Wena wale li biala wa babala. Ba ta abo po miliki no retire me we bo. Wena we ado manya na alu e Europe we. O ko menu wa. Obo kian Frankie. Abuge daddy. Abuge brother lawyer we bo. Abuge it not shock you. Not shock you when the for Nigeria tell you say all of them balogi oje yambone. Ma shock you. Not shock you. My dear, let me tell you, Ukeregbe, since on the 28th of March, you vomited on social media that you were looking for my father's house. And on the 9th of April, you come out and confirm me that you have it already. So, I was also looking for you. Not be only you, all of you now. Wait till say una define my party. Una don't see I did with una for phone. I am glad to announce to you people that I also have your fathers and your family in my phone. In any other book, no my kakakakagari ladia. Wama mirame. When you go to Yagba away every month. Now 2 cars in the drive. I will see another car. My father has one at the fine. I'll bring her for una just now me una screenshot her. No wa go me mo wa ladia. No wa. If your Facebook no wa je. Oh wa na koku wa ye sa. Oh bia. Oh wa na koku wa la gbiru polo fi be webo. La wo mo we ra me ladia ni mo ma yan yan mi ni. Isha. Oh, bien on va avec 12 rooms. No, your boy, trailer driver. On avait above igoué. Wa go on Facebook. Na fond don't sit down for down na share. Somebody go say una be better person. Biag bokpo ba be we boy. Wetin I do okpo for? Avec mi avec bete we. Oh, wa be for be asi wa. E ya gbe lete wu bo di sa o. Avec mi avec bete we. Wa, e Frankie, come out and tell your people wetin happen. Just tell them. Tell your people say ha te no una. Ya ya mi wa no ko ma hia gyo de mama. Na da ma me you content him. Ma e kwa sie hiri onye be with me. Asie fo pa. Ati ko ma no gi wo hu ka beta me no pa de na we agi wa hu na ya ri wa hu da den ya yi hu ya beko. Yes. They say you e kwa you wa make content hiri e kwa asu wa. O ari no e tell ya ha be ya dim you boy you a o a be no ye gbodo. Wa ari no ho me ni ari no hu wa. Ima someone aye Nigeria frank. But you were someone you wa. Me ma somewhere you wa. You are looking for my father's house. This is my father's house. I hope you have it in your phone. I'm showing all of you on Facebook today. Screenshot it and have it. Oh, whether I'm in a wanana kokumen, I'm not hiding my father's house. Yeah. Remove that one. This is my father's house. That's my father's second car. Era ame mi moto na no five do. Any of you na me me egwa loto to wase u wazua. None of you be better person. Imotono give any denira me no fina. The first one is Saudi, or the rest ye can be back. Till na don't go. Now my father has be this one. What screenshot? Oh yeah, Facebook take and use it. Are you not looking for it? That is it. Bien sin a die park upper. Now make on the show na so. Or to a moment bema. Or to a moment bema. Before I can show una, I make sure say una on myself don't get on. Frank. Men agmo ya elwe fon se na evans non tuen. Ene fon na low. Ya defon ri en evans. Moto bon ri ene. Ya defon ri en evans non low. No bi jouer. Ya kuyo bi yere Stacy a di for no reason. Babu atamu fefe non loro we mi no ma kan we no fi peji. Wa mi megboa we Facebook mi re nu wa. I don't fit tell una. I don't come for you. You say you they come for me. And me mamu why ma hiari you. I be say they go YouTube, I know they go YouTube. All your brothers or 20 on your be about 20 what do you yan we mana. Agmonure the webu. Ya la lu he de wo ma emi agmonre. Concentrate on your life. No build a life you wene. Ale la mo po miliki zuwun ye ni we. And then we have done a head about you or what you were over na. Uzuwa. Ya rewe bo itie teme. Sok me ni an rekpa kan hia na tian ni do mu ya unda ni. Sok me only when trouble come now come call my people come say abeg go make una come o. Me una come help me take care of trouble. But when it's time to eat, ami we ya wason, ami we ya wavan, ami we ya wo hie, ami go we mo no bia kaka ami go we. Eskuno wejo ge. E mi send no be WhatsApp mu me. Eskuno wu wejo. Eskuno wu wejo. Oh, you should mention word of faith, but the house. No, what you are doing not other 5 years in Europe, but the house. The word of faith. Oh, yes, you. But the house, word of faith, already they are dead to it, man. Of you when I jig be a side road school, no read do na. They go to go. On a school boy. See the school. See the school where your pikin they go. Oh, how I idea. Boloko, no bien no. Boloko, yeah, call la wava. Frank, I chatting on my eh? If you chatting person, if you fast pass you, eh? If you threaten me, I go fast pass you. You threaten me that you are looking for my father's house, I make sure I find everything about you and have them in my hands. Yes. I make sure I found everything. I have them in my hands. Oh, man, no, le voice record of what in France, not Dion Vigé. Wado there. Na money I want to sell. I not just the bring out for nothing. Ya kachione. Wama dene. Irie la dianoma. If you know you want the voice record of Frank's senior brother and the sister, come and buy. Come and buy one voice record. One voice record is 150 euros. If Frank will wear what do they voice record? Okay, senior brother with senior sister. What do they voice record? Wow, the voice record. Okay, senior brother with senior sister with Frankie. Wow, the voice record. Ah, wakion ona. Yakion. Igo ni yari lawyer. Okbologbe. E san sewu. So for that reason, voice record na wakion ona. Esther talk show wayabo no ma jegbe off of Facebook. Wado the voice record 150 no. Igbe any ha with Facebook. Igbele ye o awa. 150 go ni yari lawyer Okbologbe. Awa. Ayi san sewu. Kuni ari la ya Okbologbe ni ara yan video we kuni ari la ya Okbologbe na so ibi o e voice record wa en wa de wa do de o iwa kiyan hello ise ti kiyan iwa for free o ikiyan o oya seke eze ye ikiyan wa o de voice record ya wa da iwo wa e ko asiebe na asiebe mi here oge no be ra sira no ro iwa kiyan ni 250 euro lo pa okay o gbali ya yo to do all right okay. You tell me more buy who can ya who where. You have a ransom you won't wa. You they even put ransom for your own head. My own 50,000 naira. I want now 50,000 naira. I'm going to go. I say I did you will even have a his money. Everything is money. Money is expensive, man. Euro, you make money. Esther Tasho la re very well do la video there do 150. Wamana deri enu wa o iwa fiyan. You have to pay because igo yari lawyer ayi sansewu. Saloboa. Igo yari lawyer, igo ya gbe petition, igo ya ye court je ya ladian. For what? Igo ya je Nigeria embassy ya validate. For what? Igo ya je Nigeria embassy ya validate. La wo. Ihiyan. Very oni. Wa de school. Mete oni ari omo la dian but no pa wo dowo ime be ya re my passport o ime Greek passport la wamia re passport e gume owo ime mo na bia no be Greek o we me be re passport e re gume re ni yan bana diabatiri o ele niki ele agole ijelije agwaro isawe abole efluku isawe abole. Na so ibi o wa kiyan meni hinwa o na so mama o no ko wa kiyan mama de o he iya bu ya gwalera me kiyan na we mata we gume ko ya gwale kene hiari hunji be de amu gume ko yari gwale here awari la diamo wa do de no ke oge mi teme nefa gume pe tune bo wa do de no ke Wa the Nigeria account wa ya pay go jo ti hian dio. Audio re. A senior brother ve senior sister re Frankie ti hian. Ni pe here. O mari Nigeria account nu. Ni Nigeria account nu ya mi lati baba na ipe mama twin. Okay, me I drop Nigeria account for you. Me I drop Nigeria account. If I see a lot for my phone now, if a lot enter my phone, I go place more for inside. I'll place more for inside. Wait, me I put my Nigeria account. Me I put my Nigeria account to no for my camera there with Frank Okala Dian or Masco ke no J or Makameka. We over where we gualo or piano papa dollar does your young way also give up. The sapler road we gualo we need day. Or we need day oh and I wear matter oh my poblero. Hello mama. So make I put down oro du ngwe no ye no nerian. Nwere no ye no. UBA Bank. Wari alati yo ne wakama meni wayari ye yo. Iwa very yo. Iwa hinwe. It's very expensive. Iwa ya digo my people. Omagba. Omagba wo. Magumeri yo igwa ya digo. Oh, I don't fit. Admin, come help me put on. Wa gadori ejo, wa odo dio. Lare. Emi ati ege, dogume gba account me yivan. Dogume ri account yo, we mama wi yan de. Ni ka mi alati ni. Check alati me ge do ami alati gagegeri eyo. Gegeri eyo. Wa odo dio. Audio wa odo dio. Eri aga gbere eri aga mu. Ama ese dori yo wi o. Ama ese dori yo wi ne o. Aga to agbogin oma aga ka we yimi ne ko. Aga to agbogin oma o aga ka we yimi ne ko. On the 28th of March yo we egwalo we oba we ebo hian o we na we nu dogo menu mo we okan gbegun awo dogo menu gbo ah. Yeah, me ati e me yo. UBA account number. Oh, admin egbe oho e. Now God will bless you. I can't pin that comment for me. Admin pin that comment for me. My UBA account. So yeah, wa ododio. E Frankie guy me no e wa ile we bona. O ma ge gbagbo hu wa dododio. Oye po. Oh, o tin e we my duari punishment inoro. Wow, dodio 150 euro no my people. Why mia? Yet see I 130. No kane no wa ya down here but if you want to hear more, oh yeah, wa credit account in wa galatiri. Wa credit account in wa galatiri. I we very mamia lati pe herebo. Hello?
Lady Rijoto!
Imami alati go ipe herebo.
I'm in love with you, Lady Rijoto. I'm in love with you.
Opo miliki olati opo miliki level.
You be strong lady, strong babe.
Opo miliki ritoto.
Ugbego.
Na so e be o.
Ugbego, what's it? More grace to you.
Opo miliki ritoto wa ododio.
Mama de.
Wa credit e ri account e ba UBA wa galati are alati manare a pe herebo o. E Frankie ma gegbe ko wa be Facebook wa dododio igo yari lo ya yi sansewu.
Iye na sikusiku no kie. No mo hawe. Give you where ya. What the 16.
Ayi sansewu aye sanye lawyer my people. Igo ya gwa ligo bedo. Wa ododio senior brother and senior sister of seke. 150 euro 1 round. Ya wari 1 round in na wa ko send up pagbo be ana. 150 no. But wari ekere yo alati na wari baba na yeti be here. Okay, ari alati ni yo yi. Who put that one? 15. No, 15,000 naira. I don't like that one. It's too small, my people. What 50,000 naira? Ma bolo se. Wariejo, wa gume pe herebo. Wow, dodzio. Wow, dodzio. Warie here yo you be many hina me na pe herebo na dame yo e. Na dame e twin bo. Twin. Wo. Godina elele. Godina super. Godina elele. Godina super. Nobody be like nobody day like Ewo wane Godina elele. Godina elele. Godina waya o. Godina elele. Godina waya o. Nobody be like nobody day like Ewo wane Godina elele. Godina elele. Godina waya o. Godina elele. Godina waya o. Nobody be like nobody be like oh. Ewo wane Godina elele. Awa here my people. Odu ekimaya here. Awa here. Awa video. Mara we ma du ojo yo kan. Zema bo be kun uwe he o. Zema bo be kun uwe he o. Awa ma. Ama o. Wa mi le gbo a o. Do po miliki nu gbe. Hello. Air speaker. Yes na ija na wa foju audio ni la wa pe li a o. Audio no mu ye. Oye to. E brother lo metri ye no mo. Oye to. E mata. Obi ji me 5 years ka gbere Germany word of faith of ye jo mi when aje. Rosaid. Wa ma mi wo kan ba wo kan ga yo kan deserve rosaid picture ni mu la tiampa. Wo kan ni hin. Again no mweko na no less ya ga yo ya kan ya deserve abupo. Facebook loga. Ba o wera me ri la tiampa Facebook. Wa igbele kwa o se gbonire I'm selling it. Go no. What's it gonna is and say we go yari lawyer. Oh man, only day. If I can get be off wa. Oja, me as wo very oh. Call. Hello. My lady, come back again. You know we salo bois. E boy na. They be ni way. Hein? You know it.
Oh, my bad baby.
O ko bi e o. Ite we no re re. Egbe wo me tin ni. O ma topa o. Who no near me and no near o. If you know say you don't ever talk say you know my father address. You know my father name me. If you we vie kwa keke be bu we me ni ana. Olo who work be Facebook. Hello. 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 Are you there? Imagine not say o mana last speaker, Igbe wa wo me phone na wa gege do do wa ge ade phone e phone we ni gbe okwo na ya we couple. Imu aye speaker ne. Ibe bo se gbonire. O. I can't river. Na so na. Eriono. A capito. Well. A capito evict me no. I could you hiri. Evict me no. O maje ko. Ara se je kere. Ari va no kon. 151 no wagba. O come nuwa. My people na so e bi o. Ama ge gbe ko me, o ka solo me. Bia you way. You might work one day. I never thought of you one day. What is it? You dey find my papa house. When your people come see my papa station today, you go here now. Salo bois, et bien we bou, wagbor wak bebe social media. Aïe, wagbor wak bebe social media. Wagbor wak. Who just they see you now, just they make man. You go to say human being, I sit down and talk shit. Hello.
Now you play Egian better. We play for
Egian make better. We is an actonia.
Yes, play for like
all right. Ya koni e ukọ pitere do wi ya kwe o ya we ukọ pu gigo wago ji no ge ni mami ya gba agbo we yok ma be nia. It's very good. All right. Ami na ma gbe dia ma be na liyo e. Bo wi aba na yi. Agbete la yi. La wo ma we me. Na we me wo. Not be this one. Na women nene over do. Yere ya ne women we nega wi ya hia. I no go threaten una papa o. I no go threaten una mama o. You no concern me concern una papa and una mama o. O maka me karu wa. Wa kwalera be kelera ne yi kwalere la dia. Kelera ne ji be ya mwere. Hello.
Iye lo ge obota o.
Ko baba.
Yo
Odoru wa.
Kuyo.
Aye o. Ibe no chate o, ete wa go gira bu. Ete go, ete wa ye po. Wa get ete ye nyamu.
Those noise make out of Facebook. They be empty version.
Ete vera video.
Empty. You only the them
No, mama be touch you.
Libya do me better.
Yes, now. Kini comment ni. Kabo. Oh, wa le fwa o, le so fwa ko fi egbe o. We dede. Kababa. Ori ate sika gbo bwe uwe de degi awu sika gbo bwe uwe de degi awu sika gbo bwe uwe de degi awu
ma bi ori
Erioni
ogbeto a
eni wa e wa si egbe wa e lo se wa ge ko asia kere le bi ah ko asia kere le bi okay ni pe o je wa mari go ya kan ni le wa we big man why not say for me una dey see my account number for there una dey see am iyan pardon mo wa we se wala ha o wa ga gbe me o wa wi ma imo ma ro pa be gwa ma ra enje ma anybody wala wo wa gbe me wala ide Facebook o wa gbe me hello
good evening.
Good evening. Hello. Imo ine. Good evening. Okay. All right, Oma. Where's it? So I think I don't hear that for Facebook. When one man for Italy say my pikin na Pakistan born for, you not get paper. This my daughter. Una wey dey Greece, me una call inside if una confirm am. Me una come call inside confirm am. Eleniki Diavatirio, Greek passport. If you know say na Greek passport be this and you be Greek, come confirm am. Ya wo imene be Pakistan bien na lefo. O ya wa doge. O ma no ma ro pare ya gbe be Facebook. O ya screenshots. This is Greek passport. My first daughter. A Greek daughter, a European. Ya we me be wa do screenshots e. E mani kage me be we ni avie pale ni yan la dia. Look at it. My passport be this one. Eleniki Diavatirio, may I put on again? If you know say you dey Greek, come and confirm it. Greek passport, what is this? Enosi European Union. Eleniki Diabatirio. Greek passport. Now be this. Me never get passport too. If the Tianya Bay, you shall go ya travel. You might have my passport. I never tell now one day say I get passport, but I'm very close. Tuyoike. I do you be way to total you wama why do mau that be. See. Hello. Actually, I don't see clear that one. Which other one I want? Yes, it's Greek passport. Abi, brava. Which other one I want? Whatever wagia clear. Kabe mo wera me mawa. Bawe ro wagwala. I toilet in energy. Emi ni ma uwe. Una ume le Facebook wa kume wa mama mute. Hello.
Akus.
Yeah.
Akus.
Aku.
Ina niki diabatirio canonica.
Canonica ele niki diabatirio, ne?
Canonica sostaine.
Evharisto.
Yeah.
Is that a Greek passport? Talking for English, not be all of them here Greek. Hello. You don't cut and call back, talking for English, not be all of them here Greek. Now let me and you the here Greek. That is it. I just tired. We are in Labdia. Hey, Frankie. Number one, you know what you're supposed to do? Wado dot yo! Seke la mie wodo. This is what I see me if you gave me. Wagialao. Yamafu de sa. French people say Yamafu de ken. Well, let it go. Iruo wa me Frankie. Udo tiene. Ugopo muliki hina kama eti ami amokpo yo awo. Hello.
Mama.
Yo.
I say now Greek passports, 100% Greek passports.
They say my daughter not get. They say my daughter not get paper. They say na Pakistan born for not true. Una way they Greece. So ya men at the call.
You say you go born with Greek mass, you not get paper. There is no way. There is no way say you go born.
Who know that society get there? What tell you way?
No get passport.
You know do what you deve Greece here. What tell you way? Who know my black boyfriend for Greece before I come out? My friend black man. We are calling inside here to come and take me.
No wahala.
Upe bodo, upe bahe, upe bodo, upe bahe, upe bodo, upe bahe o. Facebook no ga, every mamu wa. Frank, you see this me on your own, eh? We go draw and go reach 2022. I hear ko see even na with me. Here, emi nu go avie ya ladian. Itamo tun ina we ije. Iye TV ye ni mana ke nu wa biye. Frank wi en we ra me to confirm me na. Oh oui, on verra, mais même que nous voyons des amours, que nous voyons un jour, nous voyons des amours, mais où wabo. Ah, wa. Et que nous voyons yeti wabe hon. Iyon, oh, wa dodio, esta talk show. We dodio, 150 no, ou wari ye Nigeria account TV on we. Iyon, ya is say who. Yes, so. Ayi say who. No. Agua. Just like that. Why this is not loud? Wagiak better here. Wagiak me and say. No. Let me catch this thing. Okay. Okay, my Bluetooth. The Bluetooth is off you. Oh, the bay I here in a wow for. The bay I wow for in your young no sake. But it's a winner. I'm maybe not
sova, guarda mi letterate. Broda, ya uya ego, ya uya ego. Ya uya ego. Egi ya ego kwake. Ya uya ego. So kwa uya ego. Ese ya uya ego. Ugaga tu ego. Ona mwere ego. Me amozwa. Me mama una ya ge. Osene gawe emugo. Emugo.
My people, na so it be oh. Hey Frank, you ma kati ewe oh, wo kati ni. You might don't understand. Every walk pa, you ma kati ewe. Ato agbogyan ma, akawe imi ne my brother. You ma biya ye Nigeria yin. Ma biya ye Nigeria. Evans no vi jouer. We no lad yamo do ye gbe ya gi oteme no pe ya. Usa ho. Ati waswe ni be there video wa. Wakaso angwa lo toto me. Magwa lo toto wa. Wakaso angwa lo toto me. Magwa lo toto wa. Poti ige odo bungwe, iyon wera o heke ni we ya on wa. Ah, heke ni we on wa, we no wa wa se. Na begi gbe. Ima on wa eseti work mi owe. Yeti mi owe ba son. Ima na on wa. If I don't know where your parents live, after you have threatened me to say you have my own, I don't go see sleep. Frank, if I were you, I go work, gather money, go buy motor for. Advance they cry for inside. They cry for it. They cry for audio. Oh, gwali motor here. On imia. Na fian ni. Ona do asukbe bo when you go ni remember every month. It's when we might say wa to bo we ya audio. When you go ni ran every month, ya no me motiva. Trailer driver, o weva me do. Okpa be do okpa bi gue. E we wo gwa lo ya we no marry there. You will never even bath. We no ma who. People where they Facebook, if you know say you know me for car where you know my father as a trailer driver, please call. If you know as God. Call inside. I no quick we magbe for 40 years. Asilegbe ye palace for 40 years. Wo here to do bear. We are very maybe then na toy na when ugbonje. O ye fi moto re big bo me. O toy but wa gbokpa bo me ya gbisin wo huwe. Wo se na agwaleke ne hia biye. Yes. Ima someone in Nigeria woman no someone in Nigeria ya go we. A Rosa school. Mighty ye Joy Frank. Ya go pay ya go ha we pay school fees taman. The school fees or we pay in for 1 year. Where ya school no ya lantia. The school agno better school. But the see we pay ne man we say. If you come in man say. Na so my heart come good rich. I go pay for her. E tell me ya one All of them are big boys. They can resist you. Like anyhow. Yeah, until resist you. They are big men. Well, me sample episode mo pa ni sample owo tun. Keke 3310 na yi lo no da yibo. Keke 3310 na yi lo no da yibo. If ye gun wa. I shake my head in shame. Ehwewe mume. Ulawe bono do ma ya die va ene tun ne koka vian ne. Una di Facebook wa bo miliki ni pene we bo hiando lele asun. Ebi na la mi wa be mi. Ebi na bata. When I tell him about ye ke saga be Facebook. He go regbe la social media. Anyway, he go regbe la o. If you ever people my hand go back like this for saga for Facebook. He go regbe la o. Whether you or any other person. When wa umi, iri han wa. Unwa ya gwegbe gwan. Now months na people take the talk. You use mouth to talk to me. I'll use mouth to talk to you. You do me, I do you. God not the verse. But if you pass that one, you say you want cross water, go the other side. I know the person where you feel drive enter house, eh? I know the person where you feel drive enter house. Wa mo caterpillar that way na me back we amu that way. I amu that wa. Not be money. Na money they talk. Na money be bini. You go eto. Abi, Frank, ma pass the way for you for ask me you can kill him. You hear them? Only he when do gbe won. I work with women and gbe what where he be. Or we pack pe ani we gbe man and gbe na hon we for 40 years or what where he be. Or when do gbe. Now you sit down for Facebook they talk nonsense. Tell them game on one beer gay wo hon. Wetin go make me define your papa? I even pity them. I pity them the way that they talk, they beg. I pity them the way that they talk, they beg. My people, na so. I ko asiye kere. I asiye kere. My zesiye, I asiye la diambi next year. I will tell you everything what I have about you. You are really say kere. Camaro, do you understand that one? You are when you have a boss at Moya Montian non fee, a balance and carry no keke, evans if you feel able to do gay or any motonoge. When can you well la? Oh, bedding is out or you well la no. Be careful. Oh, my dear, I see a dear police station when I go vion and babe anyway. Et tout tien. Not be say you even they call them. Not be say you even they call them. No, you are damn sebo. Or tu no dion. Or tu no dion. No, mon coquille. Yeah, if you are even where you one arabu boy. What silly I yet in what ya punishment in Ogia. Yeah, I do well. Oh, my own that was silly. It's silly. I mean, at there. That's done because of you. They drag them. They go before. Or because of them, they drag you, they go before. Yam women go when I'm mugiya. Yam women go when I'm mugiya. Your brothers and sisters, they carry trouble, can't give you that your senior brother. We get respect, they talk well. They say you don't be like this before. You go hear them for a side. I still tell them, I say now, I won't down do they come away bossy way if you I won't down do they come away bossy way if you because they confirm it. They said they don't know what they happen. Talk don't too much. Then they said don't even tire. Mama, we have no we bo. We say Bobby or have very only have your hand here. Ijari e pologa le luwe e to buyahia. Or ye pologa le luwe to buyahia wala luwe de webo. Wala luwe de webo they leak the day to for year. The time when this my sister Ivie, when they do with them, the way you know like what I tell them on it time yana. I tell them that time say if Facebook no na worship me in one life and direct. Or whoever van they professor me. Ah professor! Come a bed. Ik binu wa be man na na dan ya mo be Facebook. Every time Ivie. Sister Ivie la come and confirm this thing. This time the matter. Don't confirm me. This time the matter. Ebe akoko na ta with Facebook na ta. Ina we binu wa dan ya mo ba ya mo na. Aden. Oh. Oh, who were Frank? Me, I also professor this evening. When I dinner see any kind of magagian, we are dinner see with Facebook na. Even na bata. Ah, dinner see we. Hello.
Hello.
We are jereje every time when we igbinu wa be na we adin aya mu e.
Omi omu afuwa. Owe muye piaka. Owe muye na moyo huko. Wena gbo wena ready.
Wa dodo di o.
Na la nyo yan mi e wo.
Wa dodo di yan ka po mene na. Wa dodo di o yan ka be po mene.
Na je na gbo iwa ni pe wetu ojo iro ya do. That ojo iro no ya je.
Ije awa de. Aro e bari ya lati yo me banki be manaba.
Ona lati pe.
Aro e bari ya lati yo me UBA manaba.
E Frank na do aro mi ma social media.
Ije wa de ba me na ze school fees no bi e ya na re ye body school. Wa de ba me na ze school fees no bi e ya na re ye body school.
Jesus. My God.
But one in Magbe, or why you wege roy, and me Frank UFO. Na gwale, na deni ati area eji ya, na pay school fees no bi e ya.
Jesus Christ.
Why go at the banner? Why dot you none?
This era that we have now is a tit for tat. That is true. It is a tit.
Somebody say whether Narita wants some training. Me I look at.
So it's
No, na me oh. I go join now. I'll pay picking school fees. We are me school no be edge. I'm a being have a class. I'm a better class than what to boo.
Oh my gosh.
I'm a better class than what to boo. I'm a better class than what to boo. I'm a better class. I'm a better class than what to boo. Oh, having my base winning, we are happy. Oh, sister, good morning. Oh, sister, good morning to Frankie.
There is fire inside Abule. Can't live video. Abule matter where one apple against so. If you are more blasike because a bazooka, me will me show.
Now, I do on my own, no, Franco. Remember when I asked you, I'm even asking, police testify and police then talk to you. You also talk to them today. The way me and you test start.
Jesus Christ.
You know, stop this sort now. Must say, dear, they must stay at Potine. My qua here, man, Lambi Babuga. What?
Oh, you walk back below the ring roads.
Kawa road, the Kawa road, the Kawa road, the Kawa road, the Kawa road.
Jesus Christ. It is a God. We're finishing now. Well, I'm going to dress it up, women.
Where worry? Money didn't really make that book. Egbo ko to bobe gwele na.
Na ya gbale ya kugbe. When you go.
Ya mo go me mo hian. E Facebook ma de ya gbo pa bo me gbisen bo hian say promise.
E you wa say o chicken na ko ba ka ba ni.
Wa gbo pa bo me gbisen bo wo e. On e do na be yet. E promise no. E promise no wa sun. Now una start to defend I sit down my own. Now Max, I don't even talk to you, Frank. I don't even talk to Frank. I don't even talk to you. Not on top of say I want to tell you say I want place ransom on top of your head. 50,000 naira ransom. Well, you have 50,000, you told me now 3 million you where. How was it?
Just imagine.
We have 50,000, you told me now 3 million naira you where. How does it sound?
My God.
Hey, Frank. 50,000 naira, 100 euro, when you make what se boho. Oh, where you mon. When you get that, you every month in the 50,000. You know how much I even they spend? Times 2 who way is the bigger than Kuki. There are a day full. Now bike rider self. No, bike rider and cameraman for Dominion Church. If you Dominion Church where heritage ya we no lie to Nigeria. Frank. All the members of Dominion Church Shekewan Road. They say you come out for nonsense. They say you not be before the time when they snap the picture and camera for inside church for Dominion Church. Is it gualo? Ya gualo wes vunisa. Okpenu ke gualo me. Ima we mi ro. We do yo imemu nu me na me sure we ibe mi. Advance me 50,000. On a me 50,000 swing personal business okay. Akate e fon on tun wello. Me Facebook, me Nigeria beba. Ahi Louis Frank. 2004 we me jowa. America Louis be phone ni. Long time. They know they use that kind of phone again. Long time. No kwa makia mama de wa ya gwa lo go me to latin. Ngwa bu me gwa lo go wa ja sile latin. E gbo wa wo me tene wa je wa je go ari no ne mi wa la grade of le wa la grade of. Ha. Eti adu na. E ma ni yon wa le no re Facebook eri ko me mi ro. The way people know now, that's how they know me. People when you see that your video, because I know they watch you. Now you call me, tell me, say, Mama, yo, where so do I? You don't threaten a person. I hope this will sound you a warning to tell a person that you want to. If you have a bonnet photo, see, and move away here for a human, and not deal with it. Got a reno. 200 euro, no matter who may a day. Are you sandy lawyer? Are you sandy lawyer? If you ya kwa siye ya netwe we yanta yanto bi yanta mawe Olohun wa gbe awon no ma wa mi ro pa egbe o wa wu wa pa gu e wa pa isi adi wa pa fiye o wa pa na gwa lo toto ma e me ma e but me awa we as a correct apprentice me awe mu na bubu wa worry me I will learn. And like I told you people, I say I'm a good learner. Not be so I talk, I'm a very good learner. I will learn. I will learn. I need to learn to secure my life and secure my own self too. Why won't I learn? I want no mama want you to I don't do you anything. You begin to talk, say, hey, Frankie, I've many why your Facebook do you 200. Or I want many do you. I hope you are hearing me. I get do you. Ya get one have your dog bad you. Ya give you. Do you. Ya give you can have your dog bad you. I do you. It ain't no way I mean. Or to am work, but work bao. Cannot ban a ra po e, what's up with me? A ra po e, what's up? I'd work here. Etewagelehin no kwa. Etewahin so una me just tell una say una go beat it and go bullion. I say Facebook una kata mo wa no. My is silegbe my hiyan me ado ayokpo kan ayokpo gmina. Ayokpo lelegbe gmina mu we wa fi opo da mi fi opo da we. Wa fi opo da mi fi opo da we. Wa fi opo da mi fi opo ya silegbe kin ya si e be bi. Ara niyon e. Aga si e ti kan be catapult. We ya mi mamu wa hanje. Negbe wo e ola wa. Egbe ave wo we la dian. Na so it be. Because as you come out for where you sit down put, you say me too small when you want it. You say na your pa. Do dam e etun. E manu ya mo ene gie bo ya ma we mi ropa. The time when they call am, the thing shock am for mind. When they call am say ke no mu marry o. E ke no mu marry e ta mi go e ta mi sele. O ma we bag no we go. E ke no mu marry e yan silima ne o. Advance re police station o. Advance re CID, advance re area command. What a walking. E mu wa, I me wata. I go mi anta ya bo wa ne no pafo. Wa mi ya bo. I ka bo le gede karoto ne. Ni mi ya bo ni wa ya be fraki. Ya be fraki. Ya bu me wa. Me wa talk show. O Moswo. Ya ba Moswo. To so ya is a bo wo do ame nwa. I go ni mi anta ya bit 6 flat TV o be gbe mi wa ya bo. Ya bo wo do ye kemenye. Ma mi ropa. E do mi akama we ga gbe sekele DDG because we dede ma hi o ka go wa mi dede so where you are. Ama we to onya hara yo to nu ha gwadan mo. Bia carry that anyway. Hello.
Hello, this Baba with this man.
No, Baba with this man. Baba with this man. Baba with this man. Oh, that's how to Baba with this man. More listen to Reggae more. Like me damn you here we go up with. More listen to Reggae more. What ya give here? Baba with this man. Baba with this man. Maybe not so get you egbe. Eh? Yeah, what we have a nothing salo boy. Who is this one? E mo no kake no ma o ye mag me ya me we bo. O pa miliki. O we good go pa miliki. Hey. Adwa ke guess we bo na na mi wa ma ihuwe. Ukeregbe. Where you was? O pa miliki we ago o grandi. Unu wala la dia o, nu jo mo ke la dia mo we yare ka. Me mo problem ni. Yo, anyhow, I will any video. Eh? I will video. Me maybe don't see you a bit of Baba with this man. Walking here, ba, the cabuzebu. Eh? A camera take bear was silly. Oh, if you touch it, it was a low boy. If you dominion touch the camera road, wow, that man, wow.
Regarding about, you know, so you always accept invitation. I just invite you today. If you so, Baba with the smile, the king of social media, don't invite you today. If you first of all look at me from my head to my toes, you gonna see, in the Moses or where, oh, we are no Moses and when, Baba with the smile. Yes, in the Moses or where, in all ratification of life. I can't walk back. I'm not getting it. It's famous, so I'm not getting it. My physique back there, I come. My physique back there, you wire physique good in it. We have physique back there, I come. One stand because come back here. So no boy in a car, yeah. One stand in so we can. When I got it now, when I share this video, this one go dead loud. Where?
Lado.
Family for Nigeria for Benin as a whole. 50,000 naira cash.
You see, na so they take one time. Na so Nigeria embassy self they need them. Ransom 50,000 naira. Eh, o money ramenje give no go.
And me, Baba with this man, I will give you now. Anybody, okay? I want to speak Benin now. This show of Benin. Come on, no way. No, we retire me talk show. A boy, a family house of Era Villa, clear Villa. No, we 50K no cash. Special investigators. Anybody know can the family Ayemi Moji, you must be a genuine investigator. Because why? The social media, this is the social media claim. Every nuisance on social media, yeah, crash one after the other. Because what we are to work with. When I'm your woman, when I share this video, we will speak in a very different dimension. A video now, what get spread. Rita Ayemi talk show, Iyagbe of Ukop. Iyagbe of Ukop. Rita Ayemi talk show. Oh, where I do. And do not buy in or no will it talk show. Where are you do? We not two men one. And you got find out to just where are you getting? Your money is 50K. You got transferred and I will also post it on this page at the cash. Anybody not really where it is 50,000. I ever boost. I can bring that car for this place. People this is a joke. And at the end, it come to reality. The same thing with this one. Because you are one after the other. Why I will another lad in the Kuwagwana. I hear the Murphy, not the bride. I hear the royal bride. I come up Rita. When I read the text very important. You understand? It's 50K. You understand? In at a time, I say, no one may hear about this. Mamma, I can't know yayo. But Rita, your arrogancy, the kind of boldness, the kind of proudness, if it's most more with attachment, I feel like you are deceiving man with you feel you are too much. What if when you say, it's always.
That is the video that landed us here. That is the video that landed us here. Hey Frank, we go for now. Audio we got the rain aya here. We go for now. Your senior sister, she's a nice person. Your senior brother is a nice person. They're not even send you the one where you did. Eh? More 50,000 where you put on top of my head. If you give your daughter, I don't want to mention her name for Facebook, she go use and take you go use and take go better school. You go use and anybody you buy na ya say word of faith with greater tomorrow. Igbenedion Education Center. Better schools. My sister is just 5 years in Germany. Where I take carry and come. The son is in boarding school. In word of faith. They come house every time come they greeted your man in the day. Where is your own? The school of you where you are so. The school na menak bien avec classe. Et Frankie, moi oui magnon we. Moi oui magnon we. Leave me alone. Ye problem you we. Yalla we baby miame. If you enter my body, I go enter your own like sickness so. Wa gwa me we gbo mi miame e miame not like no hon like biare de mi ori la tian. Yalla we baby miame at you see. The reason why people must not be doing bad. You came out on Facebook to put a 50,000 euro naira ransom on top of me. But you endanger your family. If I was a bad person or a killer or all those things. You see? You didn't even know. Did it shock you? It shocked you. You go endanger the life of Evans. You endanger the life of all of them. Ni amie, ohoni bi atome kinye ke meha. Ko no ko wore hiam wewo to buba. We have vian with your problem, baby, where you are just seeking attention for no reason. It remain we gwalohian. It's an old man that has been doing his own, never involved for person. Like my father never threatened. That's the say Adina, you want show my father where area command day. I be where high court day. Now you want show where Oba Palace day. Now want show one. E di wan zupo give avè vo Mike in Oba Palace ji. Wak pa on. Now le una no. Somebody say me I play on video where they say 2 people don't pay for inside my Nigeria account. I just said that audio. I don't just bring them out like that. My people. How are you on ni? Wait, me I check my account. If it did, me I just place more inside. Oh, are you doing? Let me check my email. 1 minute, my people. Just 1 minute. But that money too small, my people. That money too small. Your WhatsApp. I sent an audio to you. Let me see your WhatsApp. No, here. Twin Chocolate, come and buy audio. My senior brother be that. No, send on you. Now so it be my brother. No, for my hair, mama there. Mara we man do waji. Mara we man do waji. Egbe school no view where Johnny or he measure. Actually, you see when I show my father ass just now. He was sample na mo ye Facebook na we no ge na himule wani gwale hian wa ya ge river. Wayamu no why they wait for now. Hello. Hello.
Hello, come on. Baba tu wa we YouTube ni.
Awa, me ma ekpodi oni ni. E ma ekpodi oni. Ije ikpe rokpa. Oh, ya kiyon ya ka kiyon ni. Yes. Yes. Omana.
Okay.
Later, So, Frank, I dey wait for you for outside. Come tell your people your own side of the story. See you people very soon.